Welcome to Ersa's professional explanation video. In the last episode, we compared two TI products, one original and one counterfeit. Today, we will reveal which is real and share tips for identifying genuine TI chips. Authentic TI products typically come with complete package, including anti-static bags and labels. If the package is damaged or looks unprofessional, it may be counterfeit. It's undoubtedly suspicious. Let's pick it up and take a look. The texture feels very ordinary. The package is so bad that even the package sticker is broken. We can boldly guess that this plate may be fake. Let's take a look at this rubber disc. The material is delicate and smooth. It is very comfortable to hold in the hand. The original engraving technology is mature, and the engraving on the surface of the plate can be done with a slight depression in the middle of the front line, which is not possible for non-original products. We have already explained what all TI labels mean. Now let's talk about the difference between genuine and fake chip labels. The original authentic label has a uniform inkjet of the brand logo, while the non-original one is the opposite. The overlapping parts of the original serial number are staggered, while the non-original serial number is aligned. The package date must be greater than the production date. The months on the label must match the months on the product. If they match, it is an authentic product. If they do not match, it is not an authentic product. Next, let's look at the straps. The original authentic straps are carefully pressed at the corners, and the protective fin is locked and fits the straps. The non-original protective fin is separated from the edge of the strap. Usually, the original authentic twin straps are made of recyclable plastic materials, and there will be a recycling mark on the back of the small square box, with or without a spacer. Non-original ones will not have a recycling mark. Next, let's take a look at the positioning hole on the chip. The original genuine positioning hole has a positioning hole logo printed on the surface, while the non-original one has a hole punched on the surface cover. Then the months on the product and the months on the label must match, which is also a key point to distinguish the authenticity. Now look at the inkjet on the chip. The original logo is printed correctly and clearly, with smooth and even lines, clear edges, and no impurities. The lines on the non-original silk screen fonts are pitted and seem to be clouded. To distinguish between original and non-original electronic components of Texas Instruments, comprehensive judgment is required from multiple aspects such as package, appearance, anti-counterfeiting logo, supply chain, price, and source. Ersa Electronics already sells TI original products. Welcome to consult and order.
Do you want to buy electronic components? Search from Ersa Electronics.